Here we are. Radiator, and it's freezing outside. Okay, the customer just came out, but they went back in because it is freezing outside. But today, we are doing this. Okay, make sure there's nothing in there, which there's not because it is leaking bad. Alright, so 12, 10, 12 and 10. Alright, easy enough. Let's get this going. I'm gonna go with a 12 millimeter. Goodness gracious. Right there. And right there. Oh man. Wow, they put those hoses right there. What a dumb idea. Smaller pliers. That's what was leaking right there. The whole seam is cracked. So, and they put some nasty stuff in there too. Okay. Let's get this new baby out. I'm gonna move all those band clamps to where they're easier to get to. Well, not band clamps, but yeah, that looks a lot better. All right, I'm just tightening these up because they swivel right now, and that would suck to get this thing installed, and then dang thing leaks transmission fluid everywhere. So we're gonna tighten those up, not too tight because you don't want to mess anything up, but you want to do a good little inspection on it, make sure everything looks good before you install it. Everything looks fine to me. Make sure you grab these. The other one's probably in the car still. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is move these clamps to where I can get right to them, because that was stupid. Right there, I'll be able to get it from right there. The other guy is right here, and that will spin that. Right over there. And this guy, I'll leave that one right there. That one looks fine. Okay, that one's good, that one's good. Let me go ahead and put this on the radiator. Oh, it's super loose. I'll just set it back in there. I'll just make sure it goes in. How about that? Okay. Awesome. Set that in there nicely. Awesome. Let's slide that up a little bit more. Right there. Fan. some. Where did I put those? There you are. All right, let's start this hog up. Probably dead. See where we're at temperature wise. Okay. What? Now you can keep your change in there. That poor starter. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Sounds like it's not getting fuel, man. Gosh, dude, he needs to stop. Alright, getting heater now. That took a long time. I don't even know if you guys can hear me with that dang starter hitting that dang flywheel. Stop. Cool. Yeah, it just sounds like it's starving for fuel. I'd help, but I have to get to another appointment, man.
I got you.
Yeah, I feel rude by not helping, but you know, I'm already obligated to go other places, so. It's a nice truck, though. I do like it.
Yeah,
I bet he likes it when it works, huh?
yeah, you done put so much money into it there?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a bummer, man.
Just not had no engine redone. Just had the transmission redone. Brakes, but you had all the brakes or whatever axles.
Yeah.
All the axles redone.
Yeah.
Chips off that flywheel.
Hopefully it's a starter, but I doubt it.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, that battery and starter's strong. Yeah. He's been sitting out here for 20 minutes hitting that thing.
Yeah. Just put it on. It's a brand new battery and a brand new starter. Or something?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, I do AC work and everything, man. I do everything. Just not transmission stuff.
Do electrical?
Yeah. Yep. Is it for the Tahoe?
Huh?
Is it for the Tahoe?
Just in general.
Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, I do it. Just not transmission stuff. I'm in Theodore.
Yeah.
Is this Theodore right here? What is this?
Grand Bank.
This is Grand Bay. Well, I'm 15 minutes down the road.
Steven.
Jordan, nice to meet you, man. Yeah, I gotta tell this girl her car's done. Oh, I forgot to put that box away. Is there a dumpster here?
Yeah.
Right there, I'm gonna use it. Yeah, well, you got 2 cards right there. Give him one. Got 2 cards right there. Here you go.
Appreciate it.
Yep, it took a long time to get the heater to work, to get the stuff moving through there, because the stuff you guys put in there, it kind of clogs stuff.
Okay.
But it all cleared through and it's all working good.
Awesome.
And it's not leaking nothing, all right?
All right, appreciate
And
it.
the motor is not hurt, it does not sound like.
Good.
Okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well,
All right. Enjoy your day.
you too. I got to go help someone else now. Have a good rest of your day.
Thanks.